One of Sacramento's oldest art galleries is hidden in plain sight. The entrance is a neatly paved alleyway, and the admission will only cost you a quick pet by the exhibit's ticket taker.
We're talker.
This is normally a self-guided tour, but today the artist is home. Is there a theme here?
No, it's just a fantasy.
For more than 30 years, dragons, tigers, and hordes of mythical creatures have accumulated on the side of Carolyn Belmore's Curtis Park home.
We moved in on a shoestring.
The canvas to this masterpiece is a result of a failed construction project, poorly installed stucco.
They didn't do a good job and it peeled.
The contractors wouldn't fix the stucco, so Carolyn decided to try a new material.
So I decided, well, maybe clay. So I took a couple of classes and I met Ray.
Ray Gage, a World War II Army vet, retired art instructor, and an expert in clay tile.
I think it was a collaboration between Carolyn and he.
Ray passed away in 2003. His son, Steve Gage, remembers when his father was enlisted to help with what's now known as the Dragon House.
You can see the traditional look that he would have done.
With Ray's experience and Carolyn's drive, the two handmade every tile.
Like cutting the same cookie over and over again.
Carolyn would often spend hours by herself creating the tiles in her kiln. Her husband helped with much of the stained glass.
First started, it was 2 ladders and a board, and I was up 12 feet.
Attaching the tiles required a large stencil painted on the wall and lots of grout.
You're only seeing about 50% of their work.
Today, the artwork brings in spectators, and it's even inspiring her neighbors.
And I just tell them that, they could do it too.
From disaster to art, this story took the devotion of an art student and the guidance of a teacher to complete the job. Hey, thanks for watching, and for more videos, click on this right here. Also, write in the comments what other stories I should be checking out.